In today's video, we will see how we can create school attendance sheet in Excel. This attendance sheet will be fully automated and most of the things will be formulated. Even the week offs and holidays will be restricted. You can choose your week offs as per your choice. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the school attendance sheet format which I have already created in advance. On the extreme left hand side, we have got option of week offs. In some of the schools, the week offs are on Sunday, and in some of the schools, week offs are on Sundays as well as Saturdays. So over here, I have kept option for 2 week offs. In case you have got only 1 week off, just select one from here, means just select Sunday, and Sundays will be highlighted as well as restricted. In case you have got 2 week offs, just select Saturday from here, and Saturdays and Sundays will be highlighted as well as restricted. In some countries, week offs are on Fridays. So in that case, just select none from here, and from here means from second drop down, select Friday. And only Fridays will be highlighted as well as restricted. The blue highlights are of holidays, means the holidays will be highlighted as well as restricted. When we come to extreme right hand side, the red part is month end. Month ends will also be highlighted as well as restricted. Over here we have got the option of select month and year. From the drop down we can select name of the months, and from the second drop down we can select years. I have made this attendance sheet from April 23 till March 24. Let's start creating a new sheet now. I'll open a new Excel file. We will rename this sheet as setting sheet. I'll start from B4, days, months, year. In days, I'll type none in the very beginning. And after that, Monday, and I'll hit enter. I'll drag this till Sunday. Months, we will start from January and we'll drag till December. Year 2023, 2024, we'll select both and we'll drag till 2030. Now I'll select all three and we'll take all the things in center and in mid. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders for this. We'll take all the things in left. Over here we will create our holiday list. Dates, holiday list 2023-24. This list is for 2023 as well as 2024. We'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll take this closer. Now we will create third list for students. Roll number, student's name, contact number. We'll adjust the column size. We'll create borders. I'll create this attendance sheet for 30 students. We'll click on the top and we'll take all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll align all the things in mid. Now I'll drag this down. We will go in view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll increase the row size and we'll increase the font size by going in home. Perfect. I'll take holidays list as well as students list from my example file. This is my example file. I'll copy the holidays list, Ctrl-C or Command-C. In the holidays list, I have taken the holidays for 2023 as well as 2024. Now we will go to our new sheet and we'll paste over there. We'll click on the first date, we'll right click the mouse, paste special, values. The date format got changed. We will click on the top, we'll take all the things in left, we'll right click the mouse, we'll go to format cells, and from here we will select date. And we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. Now we will go to our example file and we'll take students detail from there. We'll copy student details, Ctrl-C or Command-C. We'll go to our new file. We'll click on the top, we'll right click the mouse, paste special, values. One thing to highlight over here. Whenever you have to update student's name or student details, you will have to update over here only and not in rest of the sheets. So the work of setting sheet is done now. We will insert one more sheet over here. We'll change the name as January. Now we will start from B2. We will type 𝑉𝐶𝐂𝐲. We'll select from B to E and we'll merge it together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll make it bigger. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll change the font style. We'll make the font size bigger. We will leave row number 3 as blank and we'll start from 4, means B4. Over here we will create drop down for our 𝗙𝐶𝐂𝐲. We'll click on B4. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will click over here and we'll go to our setting sheet. And we'll select from none till Sunday. And we'll do OK. OK. So our first drop down list got created. Now we will copy this and we'll paste in D4. Now we will select this. We'll go to home and we'll merge together. We'll do the same thing for this. D4 and E4 will merge together. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. We'll take this closer. We'll make this bigger. Over here we will select none. Over here also we will select none. Means we will select none for both. We'll select this and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size a little bit more. Over here we will type total present, total absent, present percentage, grade. We will select all 4 and we'll adjust the column size. We'll take all the things in center. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. We will take this little bit closer. We'll create border for this also. We leave column F as blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click on G2 and we'll select till I. We'll merge together. We'll change the cell color and we'll change the font color. Over here we will type select month and year. We'll select all 3 and we'll make it little bit bigger. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Now we will click on G4 and we'll create drop down for months. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will click over here and we'll go to our setting sheet. We'll select the months from Jan to December. We'll click over here and we'll click on OK. So the drop down list for months got created. We will select January from here. Now we will select G4 and H4 and we'll merge together by going in home. We'll change the color. We'll increase the font size and we'll change the font style also. Over here we will create drop down list for our years. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. We'll click over here. We'll go to our setting sheet and we'll select years from 2023 to 2030. We'll click over here and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for years got created. We will select 2023. We'll go to home. We'll take this in center. We'll change the color. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. We will click on G5, roll number, name, contact number. In case you want to insert few more things, you can. We will click on row number 5 and we'll take all the things in center. Now we will select this and we'll merge together. We will do this for all the things. Over here also we will merge the cells. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color also. Over here also we will do the same thing. We will leave column number J as blank. We will take this closer. Now we will click over here on K6 and we'll type 1. We'll take this in center and we'll drag till 31st. We will delete this. Right now I haven't inserted the formula, just to select 31 cells. Now I'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll delete extra cells Now I'll delete all these numbers and will insert the formula. The formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select the month and we will select the year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We have got some random number. We will click on this, we'll right click the mouse, we'll go to format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to date format and we'll select the desired date format. Currently I'll select this. We got 1st Jan over here. When we will change the month from the drop down, the date also got changed. When we will select June, it got June. I'll do this as January for now. Formula for second date will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, first date will insert dollar between K and 6 is smaller than EO month, means end of the month, bracket open, we will select the first date once again, we'll press function F4 and the cell will be locked, comma 0, bracket close, comma, we will select the first date once again, plus 1. I have done plus 1 over here because when we will drag the dates, it will keep on adding number 1, like 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and so on, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, and we will hit enter. The basic reason behind inserting double inverted comma in the end, the months which will have days less than 31, it will be showing blank over there. Now we will click over here on the random number, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll go to date format and we'll select the desired date format. OK. Now we will drag this till end. So we have got our dates till 31st of January. As I told in the very beginning, when the months will change, all the dates will change automatically. Now I'll click over here on K5 and will insert the formula for days. Plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select our first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So we got our day over here. Now we will drag this till end. In the month of February, it's showing blank after 28. And when the month will change, date will be visible automatically. Now we will select this. We'll double click on the top and the cell size will be adjusted automatically. We will select this and we'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We will make row number 4 little bit bigger for the name of the holidays. We will put color over here also. We'll change the font color. We'll remove the borders, means no border, and we'll give outside borders. Perfect. Now we will click over here on K2 and we'll select till P. We'll merge this together. Over here we will type class dash. Now we will click on Q2 and we'll select till U. We'll merge together. Over here we will type class along with the section 10B. Now we will click on V and we'll select till end. We'll merge it together. We'll come to the left hand side. We'll select all three and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font color for this. We'll make it yellow. We'll select all three and we'll change the font style. We'll select impact. We'll increase the font size. We'll click over here and we'll take this in right. Means we will align this in right. Over here we will type attendance sheet 2023-24 and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in left. We'll make this little bit bigger. We'll select the whole row and we'll increase the font size. So our raw format is ready now. We'll go to view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Now we will select this. We'll come to left hand side and we'll highlight our week offs. We'll go to home, conditional formatting. We'll go to new rule. From here we will select classic. From the drop down we will select use the formula to determine which cells to format. And we will insert our formula over here. and the formula will be plus or equal to, we will select our first day, we'll remove the dollar from the beginning, is equal to, we will come to the left hand side and we'll select our first drop down of week offs. We will highlight our week offs in red. So I'll leave this as red and we'll do OK. Now whenever I'll select day from here, it will be highlighted. Monday, it got highlighted. Saturday, it got highlighted. Sunday, it got highlighted. I'll do this none. And we'll do the same thing for second week off. We'll select our sheet once again. One thing to keep in mind, you will have to select the days from top. Means from K5 to end. We'll come to the left hand side. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be same what we had used earlier. Plus or equal to first day, we'll remove dollar from the beginning, is equal to, we will select our second drop down of week offs and we'll do OK. In case you want to change the color, you can. Choice is totally yours. So we have highlighted our both week offs. I'll select Saturday from here and over here I'll select Sunday and both the days got highlighted. In case only Sundays are week offs, do this none and only Sundays will be highlighted. In case you have got your week off on some other day, you can select the other days from here and that specific day will be highlighted. As of now, I'll keep it Saturday as well as Sunday. Perfect. I'll take this little bit closer. We'll put borders over here. Now we will connect our holidays. We will connect this through VLOOKUP. So the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. So we will provide the date as lookup value. I'll do one thing, I'll remove the color so that formula will be visible properly. I'll do this white. Later on we will change the color. We'll put the font color as black. Now we will insert the formula plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. We have to provide lookup value in the very beginning. So the date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will be going to our setting sheet and we'll select dates as well as holidays from here. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Name of holidays are in column number 2, so we will put comma 2 over here, comma 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We have got some error over here. I always prefer to put if error just behind VLOOKUP. So I'll put if error and the error which is visible right now will be vanished. If error, bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close and we will hit enter. So nothing is visible over here right now because on 1st of February there's no holiday. I'll change the month and we'll do as January. So new year is visible over here right now. I'll click on the first holiday, we'll go to home and we'll change the alignment. I'll do it rotate text up. We'll also merge the text. We'll take this in center. Now I'll drag this till end. So on 21st of January, we are able to see Republic Day. On 14th of January, we are able to see Makar Sankranti. I'll come to the left and we'll change the month from here. We'll do it February. In February, we have got our holidays on 18th and 19th. We'll put border over here. Now we can change the color. We'll change the font color. I'll change the month as January. As we have got the holiday list now, we will highlight our days. We'll select this. We'll come to the left hand side. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. From the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. In case you are using Windows, this thing may look little bit different. But finally we have to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So don't be confused. Plus or equal to, we will select our first holiday name. We'll remove the first dollar, is greater than blank. For blank, we will insert double inverted comma twice. We will click on the drop down, custom format. We will go to fill, and from here we will select a desired color. I'll select blue color. In case you want to select some other color, you can. We'll go to font, color, and we'll do it as white. And we'll do OK. OK. So all our holidays got highlighted from top to bottom. We have got one more thing to highlight. We will come to right hand side, and over here we have to highlight month end. In the month of February, it will be highlighted after 28. We will go to conditional formatting once again. New rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and over here we will put our formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We will come to the left hand side. We will select on our first day, we will remove the first dollar, is equal to double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill, and from here we will select proper red color and we'll do OK. OK. Now we will come to the end and nothing got highlighted over here. We'll come to the left and we'll change the month. We'll do it as February. We'll go to right hand side and see the days after 28th got highlighted in red. Perfect. We'll come to the left hand side. Let's increase the font size a little bit more. Perfect. We'll increase size of this also. Now it's looking better. I'll select this. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll go to custom. We'll delete this and we'll type D 2 times, D, and we'll do OK. So now over here we can see only 1, 2, 3, 4. On the top we have already mentioned month and year, so no need to mention month and year over here. Perfect. It's done. Great. Now we will come to left hand side. Roll number plus or equal to. We will go to the setting sheet and we'll click on the first roll number. We'll hit enter. We'll click on the top and we'll take all the things in center. We'll drag this down. This format is only for 20 students, but in setting sheet we have got 30 students. I'll come over here. Let's create our attendance sheet for 20 students. Later on we will drag this. Spelling of attendance is wrong over here. Perfect. Name. I'll make this bigger. We will insert function of VLOOKUP over here. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. We will select roll number as lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to setting sheet and we'll select roll number, student's name and contact number. Student's name is in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, but before that we will log the cells, function F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our first name over here. We'll drag this down. Contact number, same thing over here, means VLOOKUP we are going to use, plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value, roll number will be our lookup value, comma, we will be going to our setting sheet, we'll select this, we'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, contact number is in column number 3, so we will put 3 over here, comma, 0, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll take this in left. Now we will drag this down. Perfect. Now we will restrict our week offs, holidays as well as month ends. We will select this. We'll come to the left. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select custom and we have to put our formula. So the formula will be plus or equal to. We will click on our first day. We'll put dollar between K and 5 is not equal to. For not equal to, we will put bigger than, smaller than. We will come to the left hand side and we'll select our first drop down. We'll put dollar just behind B4. We'll take this in bracket because we have to insert our second validation over here into bracket open. We'll take this in left. We'll select our first day once again. We'll put dollar between K and 5. Not equal to means greater than, smaller than. And we'll select our second drop down for week offs. We'll put dollar just behind T. We'll close the bracket. Into, we will put our third validation now. Bracket open. We will click on our first holiday. We'll put dollar between K and 4. This time we will put is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. Bracket close. Into bracket open. For our fourth validation, we will select our first day. We'll put dollar between K and 5 is not equal to double inverted comma twice. We'll close the bracket and we'll do OK. So we have put all the validations over here. Now let's check what the result we are going to get. Saturday and Sunday over here is my week off. I'll type P, enter, and we are not able to do the entry. I'll type something over here on Sunday and we are not able to do any entry. I'll change this as January. New Year is my holiday. I'll try to type something over here and we are not able to type. P, we are able to type P, P, P. No, we are not able to type anything over here now. I'll delete this. We'll select this once again. We'll go to data validation. And this is the formula what we had inserted. Now we will go in error alert. Title, I'll put as not allowed. You can put any title of your choice. Error alert, what alert we should get? Week offs, holidays or month end. Okay, now let me type something over here. And the error alert what we got, not allowed, week off, holidays or month end. I'll cancel this. I'll type something over here and the same alert we have got. So this got restricted now. I'll change the month from here. I'll do it February. We'll come to right hand side and I'll try to type something over here also. And I'm getting the same alert. Not allowed, week offs, holidays or month end. I'll cancel this. We'll come to the left hand side. We'll make this bigger. We'll go to conditional formatting. Highlight cell rule equal to, I'll type none over here, N-O-N-E, none. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. I'll select blue color from here and font as white. We'll do OK. OK. Now I'll change the color of Saturday and Sunday as red. Perfect. So whenever we will select none, it will be blue. And whenever we will select any other day, it will be highlighted in red. Great. Looking nice. Now we have to put our formulas for total present, total absent, present percentage and grade. So for total present and total absent, we are going to use COUNTIF plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open. We will select from first date till last date, comma, double inverted comma, P, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll select this and we'll take all the things in center. Now whenever we will type P over here, it will be counted. We got the count of 1 over here. When I'll type another P, we got count of 2 over here. Great. Same thing we will do for total absent. Plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open. We will select from first date till last date, comma, double inverted comma, A, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. When we will type A over here, it will be counted. I'll put some P and some A over here to check our formula. So it's working very properly. Present percentage. So as we are not counting our week offs and holidays, we will be calculating present percentage on operating days only. So first of all, plus or equal to, we will add this total present plus total absent. So these will be only operating days. We'll take this in bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we have to calculate present percentage. So we will click on our formula. Now we will select total present divided by total present plus total absent and we'll hit enter. We'll select this, we'll go to home, we'll go to center and we'll click on percentage sign. So this is 67%. Let's drag this and see what we get. So we got some error because these cells are blank. To avoid this error, we will click on the first cell, we'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can drag this down. Perfect. We have inserted formula on first cell only, so we will drag this down. Grade. If the student will be present 90% or more than that, it will be grade A. If the candidate or student will be present for 80% or more than that, it will be grade B. 50% or more than that, it will be grade C. And if the student will be present less than 50%, it will be grade D. So our formula will be plus or equal to ifs. We are going to use ifs over here, means IFS, ifs. Present percentage is greater than or equal to 90%, comma, double inverted comma A, double inverted comma close, comma, we will select present percentage once again, is greater than or equal to 80%, comma, double inverted comma B, double inverted comma close, comma, we will select present percentage for the third time, is greater than or equal to 50%, comma, double inverted comma C, double inverted comma close, comma, we will select present percentage for the fourth and last time, is less than 50%, comma, double inverted comma D, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. I have used ifs over here. In case you want to use if, you can. You will be getting the same result. I drag this down. We are getting some error over here because percentage is blank. So I'll do one thing. I'll go to formula bar and we'll put criteria of if. If percentage is equal to blank, for blank I'll put double inverted comma twice, comma, what we want blank. So I'll insert double inverted comma once again, comma, we'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. Great. I'll put something over here. P, it's working perfectly. A, it's working perfectly. Very nice. Now I'll delete this. I'll change the month and we'll do this as April. Now we have to insert 12 sheets for 12 months. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to the end, create a copy. OK. Now I'll select both. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to the end, create a copy. OK. So we have created 4 sheets. We will press shift and we'll click on last one. So all the 4 sheets got selected. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to the end, create a copy. So total 8 sheets got created. We will select 4 sheets once again. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy. We'll come down, move to the end, create a copy. OK. So our 12 copies got created. First one will be April, then May, and we will rename till March 24. This will be May 23, April 23, and we will rename till March 24. Now we have renamed all the sheets. We will go to May, and from here we will change the month. May. June, we will change the month's name. and we will do this till March. We will change the year also, 24, Feb 24 and March 24. We will create one more sheet and that will be consolidated. Move our copy, move to the end, create a copy, OK, and this will be consolidated or summary. These things are no more required, so I'll delete this. We'll delete this. We'll delete this also. We'll merge both. This is summary or consolidated. We'll put some border over here. Now we will connect all the sheets together. We will click just under total present. We'll type plus or equal to. We'll go to April sheet. We'll click over here just under total present. Plus, we'll go to May and we'll click over here. Plus June, and we will do this for all the months. And we will hit enter. We will drag this in total absent and we'll drag this down. We are not able to see anything in present percent as well as grade because we haven't inserted anything in our last sheets. Let's go to April sheet and put some present as well as absent. Now we will go to our consolidated sheet and over here we are able to see present percentage as well as grades. Now in case you want to increase the format for more students, just select this and drag this down. And you will have to not do this one by one for each month. I'll undo this. I'll click on April. We'll press Shift and we'll select the last month, March 24. By mistake, I had written March 23 over here. I'll rename it March 24. Now I'll click on April. We'll press Shift. We'll go to March. We'll select this and we'll drag this down for more students. And we can see the changes in all the sheets, means all the 12 sheets. Same thing you'll have to do for consolidated also. You can drag this down for 30 students or more than that. Totally depends on your requirement. So our school attendance sheet is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then. Bye-bye.